Everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Neevo to PayPal to get paid faster and receive payments faster. So, the first and the most important thing that you will need to have is your PayPal account verified. And if it is not verified, you will see the message unverified by PayPal, and PayPal can only be used on one account. So, if this is not the case, you will receive the message someone's already using that payment method. So, what you need to do from your desktop is to simply click on select the menu icon on Neevo on the top right corner of your screen, and then go to profile settings, payment, and then link payment method, and then add the payment method of PayPal. Such as they are showing in they are showing in this, and in your mobile. So simply from the dashboard, from the home screen, basically select settings, tap payments, and then link payment method as they have shown in this, and just simply do that. So yeah, thank you for watching this video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video.